Okay, I'm gonna begin by making the chimichurri with 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 6 tablespoons of olive oil, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, but because I don't have it in the house, I've got rice wine vinegar. Huh? I mean, yeah, rice vinegar. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. Boop. I'm going to add some black pepper, just a bit, not too much. Some garlic salt. And some chili flakes. I'm going to mix that together. Okay, now we're going to begin with the salad. I'm going to start off with the base, which is some watercress. Okay, now I'm going to add some tomatoes. It's supposed to be cherry, but we have what is there, so. Now I'm going to add some butter beans. Ooh. And some red pepper. And the star of the show is this, anchovies. I'm going to pour all of it in with the olive oil. I'm going to add some capers. Look at the colours. Oh, my God is good, yo. Yeah, my God is good, yo. Now we're just gonna mix it with the anchovies. Oh, it looks scary. I should have cut it up. Why is it so expensive but just free? Why is it looking hairy? What is anchovies anyway? Sorry, I'm talking so much. I've tried it once. The ones from M&S, the ones that are in like some sauce, vinegar thing, and it tasted nice. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna use my hands. I've got some gloves. Okay, let me try it. Oh. find a piece of... Oh, I got it. Ah, shma. Mmm. Oh, the anchovies are quite salty. No wonder it's just a little bit. It's nice though. I would have added a bit less garlic salt into the chimichurri, but it's very nice. It's a different flavour. It's very fresh.